Imagine having a garden that takes care of itself. You won't need to collect tons of soil and various types of composted manures and fertilizers. You won't even have to water your plants every single day. In fact, you will need to water your plants once or twice a week. And the magical part is you will be using liquid fertilizers that you can mix with the water during your weekly watering routine. The only thing that you will need is cocopeat. Yes, you heard it right. You can grow almost all sorts of your favorite garden plants using only cocopeat. In this video series, I will show you how to grow plants using only cocopeat and will guide you through every step. And in today's episode, I will kick things off with seed germination. So let's get started. I have taken 5 paper teacups. These are 50 ml of paper teacups. Avoid using transparent plastic teacups because sunlight can penetrate the plastic, which will disrupt root development and encourage algae growth in cocopeat. I will make some holes at the bottom this way. I have filled the cups with cocopeat. Now what I will do, I will make a hole right in the middle of the cup like this. Now I will put 2 seeds into the hole. If one doesn't sprout, the other will. These are capsicum seeds, and you can buy capsicum seeds from online, or you can buy red bell peppers from the market and collect the seeds from that bell pepper. They will also sprout. I will cover the holes this way and we'll add little water. I will keep these cups in a shaded area. After 11 days, I can see the seeds have sprouted. Now at this stage, I will add a fertilizer with the cocopeat. I'm using a seaweed extract. It's a organic fertilizers for plants. It has many beneficial nutrients for plants, and it has also got some essential plant hormones. You need to add 2 ml with 1 liter of water. I will add a few drops with this water. I am giving this fertilizer at this stage because this will provide the plants with some essential nutrients and some beneficial hormones. I will transplant these plants when these plants will have 6 to 8 leaves. I will show you how to take care of these plants as this plant grows, so that you can also grow some plants along with me and get the hang of growing plants in only cocopeat. I will continue to upload regular updates of these plants so you can get the hang of growing plants using only cocopeat. Please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the next videos. Once you master this effortless gardening technique using only cocopeat, you will be able to grow all sorts of plants in containers like perennials, fruiting plants, flowering plants and herbs. Follow this video series to learn more about this amazing gardening technique. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you in the next videos. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and share it with your friends.